Hey everybody, Captain MacGyver here on Geds Gaming, and I'm going to show you how to get a Saboteur if you have figured it out by now. Okay, so I earned a total of 6,000 battle points to unlock the new stages and receive the new receive awards. All right, let's go here. Task complete. Let's get the reward. There we go. Now for this. Now for here's the thing. Oh, wait. Order for a Saboteur event reward. You can use this order to get a squad in logistics. The order can be obtained only during the Saboteur's event. See the item order for a Saboteur event reward. Now here's the thing. You go to your list. You go to your squads enlist. You go to your factions shop area. And there he is, right there. I'd use the US, but I already got that one. And there he is, right, and there it is, right there. So now you can use it, and then purchase. Submerged counterintelligence department. This order can be obtained only during the Saboteur's event. The 9th Merchandise Corps, Submerged Counterintelligence Department. There we go. And there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it.